Yes, you are going to be doing like this. You will have to go to your Hatano Plus. It will be looking like this. Then you will have to click here. After clicking there, you will find these ports. They will be giving you this. The one there is 80, but you will have to click this with 443. Then after that, you will come and you will go on and click here they are up on those three dots. After clicking there, you will click here, taking you step by step so that you can learn how to import there. And after clicking there, they will give you that, and you will click here on the first one, import configuration file. After clicking it, they will give you the folders in your phone. So I sent you the file on Telegram, so you will look for a folder called Telegram. So if you will be looking for it after they have given them to you, and I think it is here. After clicking it, they will give you here. Then you will go for documents, because that file that I will have given you is a document. Then you will go there. After going there, they will give you the files. In giving you the files, you will see the file. You will see that file that I gave you. It will be the only file there. Then you will click it. And when you click it, they will tell you import success. It will come here. Then after coming here, you can switch on your mobile data even if you're having 00 KB. Then you start the file. Then it will start working, and you see, happy surfing. You enjoy unlimited until the week is done that you will have paid for, or a month that you will have paid for. But that file that I sent you is for just enjoying. You can go and enjoy the file. Thank you for watching.